First, subscribe Salva Solutions. Which one you needed, you select it. GPT or MBR. MBR mean old versions, old concept, and GPT is new upgraded concept, now current concept, and coming concept is a future concept is GPT. I have GPT machine, so I selected GPT, and I also selected Windows 11 OS in original OEM OS. This is a original OEM OS, not a developer OS. This is original OS. I will select it and completed my bootable media and close it. I given below the link for registry command. Okay, just below I given, you just download it. Just I given below link, download and copy paste to your bootable media. I pasted to my bootable device. I have bootable now. Bootable changed Windows 11. I just copy and paste it my bootable media. Okay, bootable this I just copy place that for file, registry file. This you get like a basic cannot run Windows 11 slayers. You just for your keyboard press Shift F10. You get Shift F10 press at the same time you get one command prompt. Just you type it registry edit, reg edit, REGEDIT, reg edit. Okay. Copy paste bootable media. I have that file. Just CPU bypass registry command. I given below the description. Just download it and just run it. Just click it. Close everything for command prompt and registered it. Just click back. Okay, just click back and you want to your professional or home basic which one you select it. Just bypass this one. And finally get it this one. Just check it when where run go to run when where you get see this Windows 21 H2. This is a OEM original OS.